If you're looking for compliant monitoring equipment without all those upfront costs, AcSoft Hire is the ideal option for you. We offer a simple yet transparent pricing plan to hire from our world-leading product range. These include the Airly for air quality monitoring of PM10 and PM2.5. Also from Svantec, we've got the world's leading noise monitoring station, the SV307A, along with their vibration system, the SV803.
The resources needed for the projects are always considered when pricing our services to our clients. We need to understand the cost to perform the service, so a reasonable pricing schedules provided by AcSoft is vital for us to stay competitive.
All our noise kit has got IEC 61672 approvals, along with type approvals from PTB in Germany. You can hire from anything from 1 week up to 77. The longer the hire, the lower the costs. We know that our customers often require high quality equipment at very short notice. So we pride ourselves on our quick turnaround times, and we can normally offer a next day delivery.
We get a peace of mind by knowing that the kit is pre-calibrated with all documents sent in advance, ready for the reporting.
We'll also train you on how to use the equipment, and if you've got any questions at all, just give our dedicated technical support team a call.
It's good to know that we have a friendly support team on hand should we need it. At the end of the day, we just need to be sure that the survey goes to plan.